guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna teach you how to make a wedding flower bouquet or a bridal bouquet out of newspaper. Okay, so here's what we're gonna need: a paint, a glue, scotch tape, some rubber, and sticks. I'm using barbecue sticks, and of course our newspaper and a scissor. So let's start. Here's what we're gonna do. We need to fold it like this because we need a square. We need a square like this, then cut it here. So there you go. We already have a square. Ta-da! Then we're gonna fold it like this, like what we done earlier. Fold it in a triangle. How we're gonna make this a half because it's gonna be so thick when we cut it with the scissors. So there you go. What we gotta do is we need to fold it into a triangle, then fold it again, then fold it again, so we fold this one 3 times, so you can see. Look, let's fold it like that. Then we're gonna make a heart shape from this side. From this side, not this side, okay? You can make a smaller version if you want, so you can just cut it. You can just cut the heart with the small one. Then it's gonna be like this. It's a heart. Then we're gonna put a hole in there. So it's gonna be like this. Can you see it? Like that. And now we're gonna for each flower we're gonna need four paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. First, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8 fingers. It's a shape of heart. So here's what we're gonna do. First, we need to cut it. Cut one finger. Like this. Then set aside on the side like this. Then we're gonna cut 2 fingers. It's the shape of heart, and this one on the second. Put it inside. Then we're gonna cut 3 fingers on this one. There. And on this one, 4 fingers, so it's a half. So there you go. So this one we're gonna flip it like this, and we're gonna leave this one like that. because we're gonna stick this one first. I'm gonna put glue in it. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put glue now. So we're gonna stick it on the edge. There. Second one will be this one. The 6 fingers. Look, so cute now. And the third to stick is the 5 fingers. So the fourth one will be this. The fourth one will be the 4 fingers. Fifth one will be the next 4 fingers. It's still on the edge. Edge, edge, edge. And then third fingers. Second. And the 1 finger. The 1 finger is the last one. Not sticking properly. So there you go. So it should be looks like this. Ta-da! So now we're gonna use the stick now. So we will be needing a stick with rubber, and we're gonna do like this. There. Like that. And now we're gonna put it like that. Then there you go. It's a flower. Ta-da! It's a roses now. Can you see it? There. So we need a scotch tape on the bottom. We need to slowly put the scotch tape on the bottom. There. And now we're gonna do this one to the petals. You need to be careful because it will rip. So I'm gonna use a silver spray with this one. It's an O2 spray. There. Then let it dry. Now that they're dry, they look like this now. Arrange the flower now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. It's supposed to be like this. There. Then we're gonna put the scotch tape on here. I'm gonna put the scotch tape again here to seal it. I'm gonna cut it. Then scotch tape again on the bottom and make a ribbon. Then there you go. Ta-da! Or you can cut it if you want to. There you go.